Hello. In this video, I will share with you Vivo Flying Camera Phone. Vivo Smartphone, a branch of the China-based company Vivo Technology Company, is the largest producer of smartphones in especially Asian range by volume. The company is largely known for its mid-range products, despite the fact that it also produces high-end smartphones that compete with other brands' smartphones. Vivo Flying Camera Phone 2023 Price, Full Specs, Release Date, Special Features, Review, News. The Vivo Company declares to bring a new smartphone to the world mobile market as soon as possible, whose name is Vivo Flying Camera Phone. The smartphone comes in 4 new colors, whose name is Mocha Brown, Black, Polished Blue, and Pink Gold. If you want to buy a high-performance Vivo smartphone from the local mobile market, first, check the Flying Camera Phone release date, price, features, and specs. The Vivo Flying Drone Camera Phone flagship comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1B color display, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. It has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with 12GB RAM and 256/512GB ROM, which is enough to run Android 13 version like the Nokia Play 2 Max. As technology advances, we have witnessed some incredible advancements in the mobile phone industry, from the addition of multiple cameras to the introduction of foldable screens. However, there is one technology that has not yet made it to the mainstream market: the flying camera phone. The concept of a flying camera phone may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but Vivo has already created a working prototype. The Vivo Flying Camera Phone is equipped with a small quadcopter that can detach itself from the phone and fly around to capture images and videos from unique angles. This innovative concept has generated a lot of buzz among tech enthusiasts, and I am no exception. The idea of a drone camera phone is not entirely new. Other smartphone manufacturers have experimented with similar concepts in the past, but none have been as promising as the Vivo Flying Camera Phone. The technology behind the Vivo drone camera phone is impressive, and the device promises to take smartphone photography and videography to the next level. However, Vivo is yet to bring its concept phone to the mainstream market, and the technology has remained just a concept, leaving many enthusiasts wondering when we will finally see a flying camera phone in the market. Despite the setbacks, I still believe in the potential of a flying camera phone, and I continue to hope that Vivo will bring this technology to the market. Here's why. 1. Incredible aerial photography and aerial videography. Aerial photography and videography have become increasingly popular in recent years, and drone cameras have played a significant role in making it possible. Traditional drones have their limitations, and they are not always easy to carry around. Moreover, traditional drones require a separate controller and can be challenging to operate for an inexperienced user. A flying camera phone could change all that, allowing us to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos with ease, without having to carry around a bulky drone. The ability to capture high-quality photos and videos from unique angles would revolutionize the way we document our lives. 2. Convenience. The Vivo Flying Camera Phone could also prove to be an excellent tool for vloggers and content creators. The device's small size and portability make it easy to carry around, and its ability to capture unique angles and perspectives will undoubtedly be a game-changer in the world of content creation. With the Vivo Flying Camera Phone, content creators can add a new dimension to their videos and create truly immersive content. 3. Innovative technology. The concept of a flying camera phone is a perfect example of how innovative technology can change our lives. A flying drone camera phone has the potential for improved image stabilization. With the camera flying around, it would be possible to capture stable footage even in situations where a traditional smartphone camera would struggle. This could be particularly useful for capturing action shots or for vlogging. It is exciting to imagine what else is possible when it comes to smartphone technology. If Vivo were to bring a flying camera phone to the market, it would be a significant step forward in the evolution of mobile phones. The technology could also inspire other manufacturers to come up with their own unique solutions, leading to even more innovative products in the future. 4. Challenges. Of course, there are some potential drawbacks to a flying camera phone as well. One of the most significant concerns would be the safety of the camera when it's flying around. There is the possibility that the camera could collide with objects or people, potentially causing harm. Vivo would need to develop robust safety protocols to ensure that the camera is always under control and does not pose a risk to people or property. Another concern would be the battery life of the flying camera. It would need to be able to fly for a significant amount of time to be useful, and it's unclear how Vivo would manage to achieve this. Additionally, there would need to be a system in place to ensure that the camera can safely return to the phone when the battery is low or when it's time to recharge. However, the most significant concern for many consumers is the Vivo Flying Camera Phone's price. While there is no official word on the Vivo Flying Camera Phone 200MP price, rumors suggest that the device could cost upwards of $1,000. While this may seem like a steep price tag, it is important to note that the Vivo Flying Camera Phone is a first-of-its-kind device, and its innovative features are likely to justify the high price. 5. Conclusion. Ultimately, the idea of a flying camera phone is tremendously intriguing to me. Although this technology has yet to be fully realized, I am convinced that it has the potential to completely transform the smartphone market. The versatility of such a device, along with the prospect of enhanced image stabilization and exciting new creative opportunities, would represent a true revolution in the field. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.